welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Danielle, and if you aren't, well, thank you so much for continuing to stick with me and watch my videos. So today I have this makeup tutorial for you guys. This is kind of like a 10-minute makeup. It's really basic. And I just wanted to come on here and show you guys, now that I have a baby, I don't have that much time to really spend on making my face look amazing, okay? The full, shebang. I don't have time for that. So, 10 minutes is most mornings what I have, and that's if I make sure that I have 10 minutes, okay? So, I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. And let me know what you all think in the comments down below. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this video. Hey y'all. So I'm gonna be starting off with my y'all, I could not get that open. I'm gonna be starting off with my moisturizer, and yes, I definitely have to be extra by putting it in those 4 areas of my face and taking my sweet time, getting it in there. So yeah, just taking that, getting it all, nice and soft. Next, I'm just taking the Fessional primer, and I'm gonna be just putting that in my T-zone area. That's usually where I get the oiliest. And also putting it in the creasings in my laugh lines. And also, I'm trying out these tinted moisturizers. They're from Mary Kay, but they have a huge gap in the line of them, so I had to get 2 of them to try and mix up my exact color. So I think it turned out pretty good. Does anybody else take a super long time to blend out their makeup? I know I take a really long time. I don't know if it's because I'm super extra in particular, but I take a really long time. Gotta blend out that mustache and forehead. The SPF in these tinted moisturizers are appreciated, but they also make your girl look ashy. So I'm kind of mixing in a little more of the darker shade, and of course just trying to cover up, how sleep deprived I am with my bags underneath my eyes. I need to actually find a new powder to set my makeup with, because this one is definitely making me look even more ashy. So yeah, it's not looking good, but we gonna keep it moving, we gonna keep it pushing, and we gonna bring some color back to the face. Gotta get the contour, the bronzing contour shades. Y'all,
I'm literally sitting here laughing at myself like, what is up with this scarf? Like, what's going on? I was trying to make sure that I don't get any makeup on my hair, but oh my goodness, what was I thinking? I'm just adding a little more of that bronzing shade to the lids of my eyes. I like to use it as my transitioning shade. It just kind of looks more natural. What is happening with my other eye? It's just twitching away. I'm trying out this whole like doing my voiceover as I'm watching the video. Y'all, that shade did nothing. It absolutely did nothing. It did not show up at all. That is so petty. Okay, so I ended up putting on this silvery shimmery shade and I didn't like it. So you'll see in a little bit. I'm gonna actually end up putting some like a gold eyeshadow on top of it, and so it gives me this perfect gold shade. But yeah, that was trash. Adding some more of that brown shade to the, because it just wasn't deep enough. Look at the flick of the wrist. I'm adding this eyeliner, wing eyeliner. Yes, had to get that mirror because that was a struggle trying to look into the camera. Yes, that perfect line. Yes, honey. Okay, let's do this other eye. Oh, I'm kind of struggling a little bit. Struggling. That eye just will not stay still. Oh no. No. My goodness, what? Y'all, that is so irritating. I was so mad. Look, I had to wipe off everything. All because that eye just, no, look, I was hurt. Look at that. I was mad. Let's try that again. Okay, we kind of fixing it. Alright. It'll look okay. Y'all, let me tell y'all. These eyebrows are definitely due. They're definitely due for a shape up. I was holding off the same shadow that I used to highlight with, I'm actually going to put on top of that Terrible Silver eyeshadow. And I haven't used that liner in so long for the lower lash line, and I had forgotten how pigmented and how easy it was. It's just very, very like smooth and soft and super pigmented. So I'm like putting it on and I'm like, wow, this is really, I'm almost putting too much on. So I'm kind of wiping it away and pushing it more towards my waterline. Because it was just kind of getting grungy looking. And I'm like, no ma'am. And it was kind of getting in my eye. Alright, I'm filling in these eyebrows with just a little bit of shadow. Because, I mean, let's be honest, I don't have like 30 minutes to just spend on my eyebrows. I'm blessed to have eyebrows that just, you know, I just wake up like that, you know what I mean? Oh. I didn't use any mascara, like whatsoever. Oh, and if you all are wondering what's on my lips, that's actually just Vaseline. Like, I literally just put Vaseline. And then now I am actually putting on my favorite lip liner right on top of that Vaseline. It's kind of sheer. It's not like a lipstick. That's pretty much my 10-minute makeup routine. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.